Good morning children, I am your art and craft teacher. Today we will learn how to draw and color a village scenery. So first we will arrange all the necessary equipment, that is we need a drawing copy, pencil, ruler, sharpener, an eraser and crayons. Children, you have to use plastic crayons. If it is not available, then you can use a different one. Okay. Before we start, we have to remember few points. That is, first, we must have sharpened the pencil, and second, we will draw freehand. So here we start. First, we will draw border here. Then we will mention date here, that is 16th of November 2020. Now we will write topic here, that is village scenery. VILLAGE village, SCENERY village scenery. A village is a community made up of a small number of houses. A village is bigger than a hamlet but smaller than a town or city. First, we will draw a hut here. We will make a curve here like this. Then we will make patterns here like this. Then we will leave some space, and then from here we will draw a slanting line like this. Then we will draw a sleeping line here. Again we will make one more slanting line here like this. Then one more sleeping line here like this. Then we will make windows and door here. Like this. Now we will make shrubs here. Like this. From here we will make two slanting lines. Like this. Like this. Then we will make one more hut here. Like this. Again we will make shrubs here. Like this. Now we will make path here. For this we will draw three slanting lines here. like this. Okay, now we will start coloring it. Now in heart we will fill mud yellow, deep yellow and yellow. Children, the strokes should be in the same direction to give it a good finishing. First, we will fill mud yellow here. Like this. Then we will mix deep yellow with mud yellow. Like this. Then we will fill yellow color. Again, we will mix yellow with deep yellow. Like this. Now we will fill grey and white color here. Then we will fill white color here. First, we will mix it with grey color. Like this. Now, here we will fill brown color. Now, we will color door and windows. In door, we will fill black and deep blue. We will mix deep blue with black color. In windows, we will fill black color. In the same way, we will color this hut. Now, we will color sky. We will fill light blue color here. Fill light green and yellow color here. First, we will fill light green color. Then, we will mix it with yellow color. like this. Like this. Here we will fill dark green, light green and yellow. First we will fill dark green color here like this. Then we will fill light green color here. We will mix it with dark green color like this. Then we will fill yellow color. Again we will mix it with light green color. In the same way, we will fill same color here and here. Okay. In path, we will fill brown, mud yellow and deep yellow. First, we will fill brown color here. Like this. Then we will fill mud yellow here. Then we will fill deep yellow. Now, to make it creative, here we will add more colors. Adding more colors over colors is called recoloring. First, we will fill black color here. Like this. Then we will fill dark brown here. We will mix it with black color. Then brown. Then we will fill mud yellow here. In the same way, we will complete this one. It will look like this. Now we will outline it. For this, you can use 6B or 4B pencil. Children, when you outline it, do not press the pencil too hard as it will spoil the next page and we will see its impression on the next page. Okay. like this. At last, we will mention page number here, that is 20. We will move to next page. Again, we will draw a border here. Then we will make some sleeping lines here. Now we will write few points about village. First point, a village is a small SMALL settlement, SETTLEMENT, usually USUALLY, found FOUND, in a rural RURAL setting, SETTING. Second point, a village is a perfect PERFECT place to live, live, if you are in search, SEARCH, of harmony, HARMONY, with nature, NATURE. Third point, people living, LIVING, living in villages, VILLAGES, are always, ALWAYS, provided, PROVIDED, with fresh, FRESH, fruits, 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 and vegetables, VEGETABLES. At last, we will mention page number here, that is 21. I hope you loved it. So keep practicing, show it to your parents and share with your friends. So keep smiling, stay happy, stay home, stay safe and have a nice day. Thank you.